The typical word count for a 2 to 3 minute video script is between 250 and 450 words, aiming for a comfortable pace of 125 to 150 words per minute. I will aim for a script in this range. Are you an investor, a developer, or a future homeowner with a clear vision, but you're missing one crucial element, the perfect piece of land? Real estate development is all about potential. It starts with that empty lot, a blank slate waiting for a thriving community, a new business hub, or a dream home. But translating that potential into reality requires more than just a great blueprint. It requires specialized financing. This is where the right financial partner makes all the difference, and it's where Patriot Bank steps in. We understand that securing the land is the critical first step in the entire development process, and standard commercial loans often don't fit this unique need. That's why Patriot Bank offers dedicated land and lot loans. These aren't just generic lines of credit, they are tailored financing solutions designed specifically for the acquisition of both developed and undeveloped property. Whether you are looking to purchase a shovel-ready lot for a custom home or acquire a larger parcel for a multi-phase commercial or residential project, our lending options provide the flexibility you need. Our land and lot loans are structured with the developer in mind. They offer competitive rates and flexible terms that give you the necessary time to finalize plans, secure permits, and get your construction phase lined up. For investors, they allow you to secure a prime location now, capitalizing on future growth potential before development begins. We've built our reputation on local expertise and a deep understanding of the markets we serve in Connecticut, New York, and beyond. This local insight means faster, more informed decision-making compared to larger, more distant institutions. When you work with Patriot Bank, you are partnering with a team that knows the value of the land you're investing in and is committed to seeing your project through from the ground up. Plus, we make the transition seamless. Once you're ready to break ground, we can easily move your financing into a comprehensive commercial real estate or construction loan, creating a smooth, start-to-finish funding journey, all with a single trusted partner. So, if your vision is clear and your next project is waiting, don't let the land acquisition hold you back. Patriot Bank is here to help you lay the financial foundation for your real estate success. To learn more about our land and lot loans and to speak with a dedicated lending professional, visit our website or stop by a local branch today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.